Hey guys, Crazy Shanana here, and today I have a new review. Today guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Haunted Doorbell by Target. This is the same one that is sold at Spirit Halloween, and I really like it. It has some really awesome detail. I like the nice skull on the front, and it has all the names and the light up buttons, which we'll get to in a minute. This is a try me, press buttons to play sound plus light. 33 Haunted Manor Drive. So this is like a doorbell for like a, it's like an apartment building, I think. It's kind of the concept is where it's like an apartment building and they're all different kinds of, like places in the apartment. And if you want the person at the apartment room, you can just click their button, it'll have their name, and it'll ring their doorbell instead of ringing just one. And then there's also this awesome looking bat at the top. This is $15 at Target versus $20 at Spirit Halloween. Also, it's made by the Target, like, Pumpkin Play Company, or whatever that is. On the back, we'll just Jet Boo-tastic. I don't really know what that means. But keep going on, we see batteries, 3 AAA batteries, battery replacement instructions. This is made by, it does not say who makes this. I think it's Jimmy, though. We should be able to figure it out. I'm pretty sure this is Jimmy. So, to unbox it, you just have to undo these two zip ties. I've actually taken it out of the box before, and they're usually some plastic reinforcers right here. And we can just pull the backing off and just pull these through. And let's see if we can find the Seasonal Visions. It's Seasonal Visions. If y'all can see that. It's actually made by Seasonal Visions. I did not know that. Pretty cool. You'll find on the back the battery compartment, all this, all the, warnings and stuff. I don't really know why there are warnings on this. It has a speaker, which is actually a very loud speaker. Then it has the place where you hang it on the wall. One little wall hook to hang it over in front of your doorbell or on your door. So let's get a little better look at it. So this is what it looks like out of the package. It's actually, I think it's really awesome looking. It's got the skull and everything. I really like this doorbell. I hope to get the Jimmy Eyeball doorbell at some point. If they have it at Walmart, I don't actually know if they have it at Walmart, but if they have it at Walmart, I'll probably be getting that when I go to look at Walmart Halloween when I go to my grandma's house and get something at Walmart Halloween stuff. But I might be getting the electric fence at Walmart. But back onto this part. So you see it has all the buttons, and all these buttons, the buttons light up, and the things, the corresponding name also lights up. So let me just give you a little demo of what they all do. So Wayne Werewolf. Miss Kitty Clawbottom, and this is where it really shows its sound. It's really loud with this one. It's pretty loud. Frankenstein, I really like this with the electrical sounds. Count Vladimir. Of course,
good evening.
You gotta love that organ, that Halloween organ. This is really why I bought it, though, because listen to this. It's the actual banshee noise, and if we go back to the back, we see it is by Seasonal Visions, and I'm pretty sure that Seasonal Visions makes Twitching Banshee as well. So kind of a little, they're the same same maker, same noise. That's pretty cool. I like that. And the witch is really good.